B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for octopus. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for X-ray. Y for you. Z for zebra. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.